Hello, today we're looking at this explode isometric view question. So it says the warning sign will be mounted on a 20mm thick MDF backboard and covered in a thin clear plastic sheet. The MDF backboard and clear plastic sheet are 40mm wider and 40mm taller than the warning sign to create a 20mm border around the edge of the sign. So we've got this picture here, the warning sign here, and then these are 20mm either side, so 40 bigger overall. Gives us dimensions, it's 160 by 160, it's square, so therefore this is 200 by 200. Complete the exploded isometric view of the sign parts to a scale of 1 to 2 by adding. So 1 to 2 means half the size. Note if you see scale, if you're not sure, always have a quick check. So this says it's 160 by 160, if I measure this it should be 80, which it is. So everything between half the size of that. So it says a 20mm thick MDF backboard first of all. So we've got this sign here, we've got the lines coming back. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to faintly, using the 60-30, put this bit on there. So this is showing where it's getting projected back to. So that's back to there. So then what's going to happen is, we said it is 20mm bigger on both sides and top and bottom. So we're doing it half the size, so therefore it's going to be 10mm wider. So I'm just going to put it wide like that and measure 10mm either side, which is here and here. So I can put some lines, vertical lines in. Obviously didn't faint because the construction lines to start. Let's go up as well. And then it's 10mm higher than this line. So 10mm higher puts it to here. So now I can project my line across here. To that point. So we've got the top, we've got the side bit coming down. So what I'm quickly going to do is the bottom bit. So we've got the base part here. We can either project it coming down here or just put dimensions in there. So it's going to be 200, so we half that, so it's 100. So if I come down here, 100, takes me to that line there. So then I can project my line across here. And that's going to join onto that bit there. So we've got our front face of it. It says it's 20mm thick. So obviously we're doing it half size, so that's 10. So I'm going to do, come back off here and measure 10mm, which is there. And then have my line go along here, finish round, put it there. Line coming down, so I'm finding this bit here. So that is our backboard drawn. So I'm just going to quickly line it all in. So obviously this CCTV sign is blocking part of it. So this line's going to come down and stop there. This one's going to come all the way down. And this one's coming all the way down to there. The next thing then is this way. A line across like that. Line across at the top. And a line across here. And then put this line in. This one. And this one. So therefore, our backboard is now drawn, so that's section A complete. So next is the thin, clear plastic front sheet. So on that, it just says a thin, clear plastic sheet. So we don't need to worry about any sort of thickness to it, because it doesn't mention anywhere about thickness. So we've got these lines coming off. We've got projected top and bottom. We need to project this one here. Come along. And we can then draw that bit of glass in. Bit of plastic, sorry. So come along here. Then this is going to go straight down to there, along here, and finally then straight down there. And because it's clear, because it's thin, there's no thickness to it, so it's going to line it all in now. It's very simply just 4 lines. Coming along. And there we have it, it's complete.